I'm gonna show you how to cook pre-smoked turkey legs. If you don't want to brine them or anything, you can just get those pre-smoked ones from HEB, Kroger's, Fiesta, or you can get them from a meat market. But first, what you want to do is take your pre-smoked turkey leg, and I put mine in foil. I wrap it in foil so I can keep all the flavors inside. And I take some Worcester sauce. I think that's how you say it. And you can put some more like liquid smoke on here if you want to, but it's not needed. Or you could put onions and bell peppers, whatever you want. And I always put a little red pepper on mine. I like to spice mine up a little bit. And my garlic with parsley. And my season I use with it on everything is my Tony's right here. So I'm gonna turn it over and season the other side. And like I said, you can put some onions and whatever you want on this, however you like to season your meat. And make sure you be careful with all the salt and stuff because it's already got a little salt in it from the brine and the pre-smoke. So you see I wrapped it up. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 4 hours at 300 degrees. And if it's frozen, you can use the same temperature but cook it for 5 hours. And you see it cook for 4 hours. I'm gonna take it out. And this thing is hot. Be careful. Best to probably let it cool for 10 or 15 minutes before you start unwrapping this. But I'm unwrap mine right away. I've been around welding all my life, so I can handle a little steam, a little burns. But as you can see, I'm unwrapping this turkey leg. It's been in there at 300 degrees for 4 hours. So I'm gonna zoom in and let you have a look at it. And sometimes I put onions and stuff to get that onion taste and the garlic. It's really good like that. But watch how it just fall off the bone. And 4 hours already pre-smoked. Just put it in the oven. And you can actually pick this bone up and probably shake the meat off of it. And this is good in beans and greens and all other kind of meat. You can make a good sandwich out of this, put it on the salad, and it's healthy for you also. Look at this meat. Wow. Tender. Probably throw some in some collard greens tomorrow. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up and just show you how it just fall off. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. See how that meat fell off, and I'm gonna just scrape the rest of it off with my fork. And that's all to it. So if you have guests coming over and you don't want to do that 12-hour or 24-hour brine, just get you some pre-smoked turkey legs and throw them in the oven or throw them in the grill. Cook them for about 4 hours. And you got your meal itself. Throw a little barbecue sauce on it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. And also look in my description. I have different things you can purchase off Amazon. Have a great day.